If you want to show or hide the notifications on the screen of the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now if you want to show the notifications, first of all just swipe up and open the app drawer, and in the app drawer just go to settings. Under settings you will find the option of notifications, just tap on it, and from here just tap on app notifications. Tap on OK. Now on your Android phone, just open the Galaxy wearable app and make sure that your band is connected with your Android phone. After you pair your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone, then the next step is just tap on app notifications one more time, and over here just enable the toggle for the apps from which you want to receive notifications on your band. For an example, I will select all the apps. And if you enable all the apps, the notifications from all the apps on your Android phone will be received on your Galaxy Fit 3. After that, on your Android phone, just go back and tap on band settings, tap on notifications, and after that you have the option of show phone notifications. Just tap on it, and from here you can select when you want to show the notifications. You can select when the phone is not in use, or you can select show alerts even when the phone is in use. After that, just tap on advanced settings, and from here you can enable the notification indicator, and you can also enable show details. And if you enable show details, the details of your notifications will be shown on your Galaxy Fit 3. Now after you enable all these options, and if you receive a notification on your smartphone, just like that, the notification will also be received on your Galaxy Fit 3. Just like that. Now if you want to hide notifications on your Galaxy Fit 3, first of all, just open the Galaxy wearable app and make sure that your Android phone is paired with your Galaxy Fit 3. After that, just tap on band settings and tap on notifications. Now first of all, you can disable the toggle for the apps from which you don't want to receive notifications. Now let's say if you do not want to receive notifications at all. So I will disable all these apps. Then go back. Now after that, just tap on advanced notification settings. And from here, if show details is enabled, just disable it. And by doing that, the details of your notifications will not be shown on your Galaxy Fit 3. And also disable the notification indicator if you do not want to see the orange dot on the screen. And this is how you can show and hide notifications on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.